Welcome to my channel. It's me, Fiers Femme. Welcome back to Make Up Monday. Make Up Monday. Make Up Mondays. Okay. I don't know. I'm feeling good today. Okay, so this look right here is a purple look. I don't know. I felt like I haven't done a purple look in a while, so I was like, let me try and give y'all something that will excite you, that will excite me, that would give me inspiration. So I played off of that 60s cat eye thing that I did in my last Makeup Monday. If you have not seen that, click in the card above or look in the description box. It will definitely be down there, and check that out so you can learn how I do the line with my eyeshadow. I would have liked the white line to be a little bit wider, but I am out of my NYX matte liner, so I ended up using eyeshadow, but I think it came out just fine with what I have. I'm gonna close my eyes so I can show you the full look. I decided to put on lashes, what some lashes my sister had, and just to make the look a little bit more deeper. And this hairstyle is coming on this Friday. Relax, it's my pup. So yeah, so this is just a simple pineapple hairstyle, easy to go out if you're in a rush and you're in between, you know, your starter locks looking a little fuzzy, getting on your nerves. And I take my hair down every night so it's not messing up the thickness of my locks. Thank you. So if you want to see how I got this look, definitely stay tuned. Leave a comment down below, show me some love. I just realized that my comments were being held for review, but I fixed that, everybody. So I just want to thank anybody who did leave a comment on any of my videos from the beginning of my journey to now, where I'm more consistent, and I'm definitely becoming more consistent. You can see that. Yeah, so definitely, if you're new to my channel, subscribe, like, share, and welcome to the family, and let's get into it. Later.
I guess maybe some flip frontings could rise.
McKenna. McKenna. Promise. Daddy. That I will not. Have any boyfriends. Have any boyfriends. Say it. Say, I will not have any boyfriends.
I just want to look at them though.